Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your Redmi model and MIUI version so the scanner tool is compatible. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. Make sure USB debugging is off unless you need advanced features. Next, install a trusted Wi-Fi scanner app from Google Play or sideload a vetted APK, because the right app determines available features like channel graphs and signal logging. You should now have the app installed and permissions requested, so open it and grant location and nearby device access. You now configure the scanner for reliable data. Grant required location and nearby devices permissions and allow background access if you plan long captures. Then choose scan mode, active for real-time results, passive if you want minimal interference, and pick the frequency band such as 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz depending on networks you expect. Make sure to set the sampling interval. Shorter intervals give more detail but use more battery. Finally, start a scan and watch live RSSI and channel occupancy graphs to identify congestion and strong APs. You finish by analyzing results. Read RSSI in dBm, check channel overlap and noise floor so you can select a clearer channel or relocate an access point. If needed, export logs or a CSV for deeper analysis or to send to support. Then apply fixes like switching to an uncongested channel, moving the router, or enabling 5 GHz. If scanning fails, reboot Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode, verify permissions, and reinstall the app. These quick steps resolve most detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.